Hello everyone, it's been a while since I posted a video. You know that I've been posting unboxing, especially on radios that are not common. In this today I'm posting this unboxing video of the newest radio of Cignus, which I find neat, which is this Cignus XTR10. What I find interesting about this radio is it's supposed to be 10 watts capable. And so, without further ado, here you see the other XTR10 I already opened. But for the benefit of everyone, I'm opening a second unit here. So this is the box. This particular model is UHF. And as you open it, you see the main radio. It's here, which is the body. And this is reminiscent of the UV88 radio that I unboxed before, the kind of plastic that they use. It looks really very durable, and it's supposed to be weatherproof. It comes with a very simple volume knob, channel, and I still have to know what this is. Okay, and then I think this is the open squelch and other function button. Of course, you have the PTT there, and here you have the speaker mic connector and programming connector. And as you can see here, there's the model XTR10. This one is UHF. And as we open further the radio or the box, you can see the antenna. The antenna is surprisingly big for a UHF. I thought it's going to be smaller for a UHF. It's reminiscent of a VHF rubber duck, although the diameter is thinner. Okay, so the antenna goes here, and it comes with the usual Cignus connector. You can actually use an external antenna for this. You just have to buy an adapter for the antenna connector. And here, okay, it's a lithium polymer battery. It's 8.4 volts, and it's 3,000 milliamperes. So it should last for a couple of days. You just slide it in like this, simple enough, and it should lock. There you go. And there's actually the release lock of the battery pack here. You just have to slide it, you push it up, and you can slide the battery off. Okay, so we'll just put it there. And then again, on the box is this belt clip. The belt clip is I think sturdy, basing from the one that I just installed at the other radio. Okay, there's no screwing needed to be done. All you have to do is push this and slide it on the slot there. Hit it there, and okay, your belt pack is now connected. It's optional if you want to put the hand strap there. But what's neat about this radio is when you open it, because as you can see, there's no readout or anything LED readout. It's actually hidden. And when you open it, when you turn on the radio, look what happens. There you go. Shows you the battery capacity and the channel. And here is the squelch. Okay. And this one, it tells you the current voltage or the battery pack. Here is the channel. Okay. So all you need to do is program the radio to your specific frequency, and it's all good. So again, there you go, the XTR10 Cignus, the new XTR10 portable radio by Cignus.